coming to you on this tremendous Tuesday. This is Power Builders Unify and Conquer and the team GMG getting your finances on the right side of capitalism. Today I talk to you with the document on finances. This is a document that we have in our office, okay? And this is from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS.gov. This is the big refund, the big tax bill. Now, this document is printed out, and you can find it on Documents Publication, okay? This is in the publications and you can Google it. I want you to Google it, okay? And you can go to Internal Revenue Service, IRS.gov. This is a document that's updated April 29th in 2005. And this is the first what they said by the government. Okay, it says first, some refund facts that the federal tax to individuals, okay, that work that totaled more than 2,015 million last year, more than 101 million taxpayers got refunds. That 80% of the average refund was $2,125. Where does your refund come from? Your refund comes from your wallet or your purse. When you tell your employee how much to withhold from your paycheck, or you are made an estimate tax payment for the average refund, that's about $40 a week too much. You might be using the extra withholding as a force of savings. The method, but Uncle Sam doesn't pay interest on refunds. Except in a special circumstances, putting the money on any type of savings account or down on debt might be a better options. Okay, everyone? But everyone gets a refund. Some will face a penalty for not paying enough during the tax year, and then we say why. Okay, why is these mismatches of some people who overlook their deductions or credits that they take on their tax refunds when they determine how much to withhold or pay estimate taxes? Others can be filed or fall short because of there's no tax holding withholding on some of their income. So if it's no tax withholding on some of the income, if the refund was a note, or if your refund was more than you like, or if you had a penalty because you owed too much, or you wrote a check for more than you could comfortably afford, consider changing your tax withholding or estimate payments now. The sooner you change, the more impact it will have on your check you write or the refund you spend next year. If you are an employer and you complete a new form, which is the W-4, which we talk about, it gives to you, and you give it to your employer. You use this, and on the outline of withholdings calculated to help you determine the right entries. If you are self-employed, use the form 1040 Okay, the form is 1040 ES. Withholdings is a figure that corrects all of the payment accounts for the rest of your 2018 form. Read the IRS publication, and this is in the publications, everyone. I want you to Google it. You can look it up. This is in publication. The number is 919, okay? And you look at this publication and you can read this form. And it says, how do I adjust my tax withholding? For some information, bring the tax you pay closer to use the tax you owe, okay? Now, the links are, when you go on that site, everyone, the links is going to be the withholding calculator. It's going to be the publication 919. How do I adjust my tax withholding? PDE 15K. It's going to be the form of the W-4 employees withholding allowance, and that's the certified certificate, and that's PDF, okay, 53K. Then you're going to have another form right on these links on this page. The form is the 1040 ES. It estimates your tax individual PDF. Okay, and it's 10.2K. Then we have the electronical payment options, including the EFTPS, the electronic federal tax payment, a system that is free, and you can schedule your payments in advance, and you get acknowledgement of a payment instruction and 16 months of payment history. Now, guess what, everybody? That's absolutely, absolutely wonderful. And what I say to you today is that you can get a tax refund or you can get a tax benefit. So the difference between that, having a tax benefit, is when you have your home-based business and you can write off your tax deductions. This is Gwendolyn Dotson coming to you live, bringing you financial empowerment. I want you to have a marvelous day. If you like this video, I want you to give me a 1. If you're watching the replay, I want you to give me a 2. And if you're interested in following me, please follow me, share this video. And if you're interested in coming aboard to learn the secrets of not just getting a tax refund, but a tax benefit. Have a wonderful Tuesday on purpose. Be great. God bless.